Fine. So you're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so yesterday we have discussed about DFT and today we'll do
Linear
convolution.
convolution we did, sir.
Yeah. Convolution, DF. Yeah, we'll do today. Topic is convolution using DFT. Okay, using DFT. The class number also let me put here. It is 6 actually. Class 6. Fine. Okay. So yesterday, I think we have seen there are 3 cases I mentioned, no, for the convolution to perform. Let me take the black color. Yeah. So one is when both the signals are finite in length. Yes or no? When both the signals are. Did you complete remaining samples yesterday?
No, sir.
No, you're not done. Try to do it. If you do, then you'll understand, the procedure of how to find the linear convolution of 2 finite signals. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
So, one more thing I just wanted to tell you the same example, but in a different inputs. X of n is equal to maybe 1 comma 4 and h of n is equal to maybe 2 7 minus 2 or minus 3, whatever it is, something like this. Can you tell me what is capital M here? What is capital M indicates? 2. Capital N?
2,
Capital
3.
N?
3.
3.
What is m plus n minus 1?
4.
4.
4. So what is my expected output? Y of n is equal to
4. 4
if I
samples.
don't mention arrow mark, what is Lx?
0. Starting with 0.
0. What is LH?
0.
0. What is my Ly? Lx plus LH, right? That is what I said.
0, 0 minus.
0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 0.
So from where I should start calculating my output? Y of 0. How many times? 4 total. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
length
sir.
of output, right? This is the length of output. So this is length of x. This is length of y. Correct or not? So now you tell me, like yesterday I did, no, you tell me, I will follow the steps because it will give you some kind of revision to all of you. Step
Sir,
1.
LX is equal to 0 also. What is this, sir?
Yeah, if I do not mention any arrow, no
Okay,
arrow is
sir.
mentioned both the signals, no? So default is
Okay,
n
sir.
equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, something like that. If I mention an arrow, then it is, you have to consider, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is step 1 says?
N to K. Change
Axis from N to K.
Yeah, change of axis from n to k, correct. So let me rewrite my given inputs. X of k is equal to, can you tell me what are the inputs?
1, 4.
1, 4.
What is h of k? Not seen? 2 7 minus 3. 2 7 minus 3. Okay, I think somebody said some doubt, but the doubt can be clarified when I'm explaining this example. So now what next? Step 2. What I'm supposed to do? Fold. Fold means
Fold.
reversal. Yeah, time reversal. I'm writing because yesterday somebody asked what do you mean by folding. So time reversal. Fold the signal h of k. Correct or not? To get what? Can I write this way?
Yes,
So what is
sir.
h of minus k? Can anybody tell?
-3, 7, 2.
-3, 7, 2. Arrow should be. Now you should mention yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Because this is n is equal to 0. This is n is equal to -1. This is n is equal to -2. Yes or no? This is more
Yes,
important. Fine. Then what is step 3? What is step 3?
Shift to folder sequence, right?
Yeah, shift folded sequence. What is my value of n now? 0, no?
No.
Shift to folded sequence h of minus k with respect to the value of n, correct? With respect to the value of n. So when n equal to 0, h of n minus k becomes h of 0 minus k. So you need not to shift anything. As it is, you can take h of minus k. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then, what is step 4?
Multiply folded and shifted with unfolded signal.
Yeah, multiply shifted and folded signal, or folded and shifted signal. Folded and shifted signal with unfolded signal. So what is my unfolded signal? X of k, which is 1, 4. This is my arrow. Then I need to write h of minus k exactly under this. H of minus k I'm supposed to write. So what is h of minus k? Arrow is pointing to which number? Which just
2.
a minute. Just a minute. I don't know what happened. Yeah.
H of minus k
Yeah, it is.
after
Let me
reversal.
write 2 here, 7 here, -3 here. Then it will become like this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the overlapping portion? Y of 0 is equal to
Only 2.
1 into 2 to 2. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what is step 5?
Okay, sir.
Repeat 3 for the remaining values of n.
Sir, 1 second,
Repeat
sir. Can you repeat this? Y of 0 is equal to 1 into 2.
Because if you coincide, see, n equal to -1, does signal has any signal here? N equal to -1, do you think x of k has any signal, any value? In the x of k, when I'm writing
X
arrow
of k does
0,
not have any value. No value.
yeah,
Sir.
so no value into here n equal to -1 means no value means 0 actually. 0 into anything?
0.
Again 0 into anything 0. So 0 plus 1 into 2. Yes or no? Strictly speaking, it should be 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 2. This is the correct one. Is it clear? Again, strictly speaking, you will have one more. Even though here n equal to 1 is there in the x of k, but in the h of minus k, no value is available at n equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you strictly wanted to write complete over the number of samples, you can write something like this: 0 into -3 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into
4
0.
into
This is correct actually. So finally, what do you get?
2.
Yeah, 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to all of you? Okay, fine. Now repeat step 3 and 4 for remaining samples of n. Remaining samples of n or output. So remaining samples meant already in the output, no, we want y output should be something like this. Y of n is equal to y of 0, y of 1, y of 2 and y of 3. This is only we want, yes or no? So this is calculated.
Yes,
Next is n equal to 1. So when n is equal to 1, h of 1 minus k can be written as, sorry, it is h actually. H of 1 minus k can be written minus of k minus 1, yes or no? 1 minus k can also be written as minus of k minus 1, yes or no?
Yes, sir. You can write.
So then what does it indicate? Folded signal should be delayed or advanced?
Delayed.
Delayed, not advanced. Minus means no, here this minus indicates delay.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah.
So delay means arrow will be moving left or right?
Left.
Left, very good. So h of 1 minus k can be represented by again minus 3, 7 and 2, but arrow will be coming under which number?
7.
Very good. Then to get y of 1 is equal to, where n is equal to or k is equal to 1 to 0 to 3, if I'm right. Let me let us not write this equation, it is a confusion to all of you. To get that, I'll rewrite x of k now 1 and 4, where 1 will be the arrow for unfolded signal, then 7 must be written exactly in this, then 2 will be here, then minus 3 will be here. Yes or no? This is your h of 1 minus k. Is it okay?
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఆరో అనేది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్ ఇక్కడ 7 దగ్గర h of 1 minus
అవును, ఆల్రెడీ నీ ఒరిజినల్ ఇది కదా, ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్కడ పోయింది? యా, ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఒరిజినల్ నో, h of minus k.
yes arrow should be shifted right or sir delay signal
రైట్ లేదు, సిగ్నల్ రైట్ అవుతే ఆర్ఏ ఆటోమేటిక్గా లెఫ్ట్ వస్తుంది. సిగ్నల్ ఇది కదా సిగ్నల్ అంటే. దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ సిగ్నల్, నాట్ ఆరో ఇస్ ద సిగ్నల్. ఇది సిగ్నల్
yes,
కదా,
sir.
దీన్ని రైట్
Okay.
మూవ్ చేస్తే ఇది ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. ఇది మైనస్ 3 అనుకుందాం.
సార్ డిలే అంటే మూవ్
అది
రైట్ 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 సిగ్నల్
రైట్, అవును రైట్ షిఫ్టే కదా. ఓకే, జస్ట్ మినిట్, ఇక్కడ నేను తప్పు డ్రా చేశాను. ఓకే, జస్ట్ మినిట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై 2 at n equal to 0. This is 7 at n is equal to 1, and this is minus 3 when n is equal to minus 2. This is minus 1. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేశారనుకో ఏమవుతుంది? డిలే అంటే రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ కదా, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
సో 1 దగ్గర ఏమొస్తుంది?
yes sir
2 వస్తుంది. 0 దగ్గర 7 వస్తుంది, అవునా కదా?
yes sir
minus 2 దగ్గర minus 1 దగ్గర minus 3 వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆరో ఎక్కడ వచ్చినట్టు మీకు? 7 కింద వచ్చినట్ట, 2 కింద వచ్చినట్ట, minus 3 దగ్గర వచ్చినట్ట?
7
0 point is pointing to which number? 7 కదా,
yes sir
ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో అందుకే 7
Yes, sir.
కింద ఆరో పెట్టాను. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే?
యాక్చువల్ సిగ్నల్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది టైం అది ఆరో మూవ్ కదా సార్.
ఆరో మూవ్ అయినట్టే కదా. అర్లియర్ ఆరో వాజ్ ఎట్ n ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్కడ? ఇక్కడ ఆరో n ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కదా, at 2 దగ్గర ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఆరో n ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 7 దగ్గర ఉంది, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే వితౌట్ షిఫ్టింగ్, ఇది విత్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ 1 టైం కన్వర్టింగ్ కదా.
ఎస్
ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదా?
అంటే కాదు సార్, ఇప్పుడు మనం రెండు సార్ ఒక్కసారి మూవ్ కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు 7 ఎంత ఉంది? -3 7 2 ఉంది.
-3 7 2 ఉంది. -3 ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
టైం డిలే చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే
రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది.
అనేది ఒక
రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది.
సైడ్ వెళ్తుంది.
రైట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు 0 దగ్గర ఉన్న శాంపుల్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది?
7 దగ్గరకు వచ్చేస్తా. అప్పుడు
రైట్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ వస్తుందా, రైట్ వస్తుందా?
ఆ లెఫ్ట్ పోతుంది. అంటే మనం 0
లెఫ్ట్ అయితే అడ్వాన్స్ అవుతుంది.
ఎస్ సార్. అంటే
మనం డిలే కదా చేయాల్సింది.
రైట్ సార్. ఆ నెంబర్స్ అనేది రైట్ మూవ్ అవుతాయి కదా సార్.
అంతే 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 అంతే. నెంబర్స్ రైట్ మూవ్ అయినప్పుడు నీ ఆరిజిన్ పాయింట్ అక్కడే ఉందనుకో, ఆరో అనేది అక్కడే మూవ్ అవ్వాలా అవ్వకూడదా?
యాక్చువల్లీ ఆరో మూవ్ కాదు, కాకపోతే ఆరో ప్లేస్ లో 7 వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఆబ్వియస్ గా, అంటే దట్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్. ఆరో విల్ నాట్ మూవ్, ఆరో విల్ బి అట్ సేమ్ పొజిషన్. సిగ్నల్ విల్ మూవ్ అంటే హౌ యూ ట్రై టు కీప్ ఆరో అనేది, దట్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు సే.
సో మన ఆరో ఆటోమేటిక్గా లెఫ్ట్ వస్తుంది.
అంతే అంతే, దట్ ఇస్ ట్రూ.
ఓకే
Okay,
యా.
so then can you tell me what is the output now? 0 into -3 plus
15.
1 into 7 plus 4 into 2, yes or no? 0 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then n is equal to 2 అయినప్పుడు ఐ వాంట్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ 2 మైనస్ కే. నో మీరు చెప్పండి ఎలా వస్తుంది ఇది హెచ్ ఆఫ్ 2 మైనస్ కే.
Arrow at -3 position.
Very good. Either you shift this signal by the pine on the h of minus k 2 times or this signal by 1 time. Anything is okay. Okay.
Okay,
Then
sir.
what is x of k?
1,4.
1, 4. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ arrow ఉంది కాబట్టి. So right now I am writing h of 2 minus k first, x of k next. Doesn't matter. Now what is your output now? Minus 3 into 1 plus 7 into 4 plus 2 into 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is minus 3 plus 28 plus 0. It will be 25. Correct. Then n is equal to 3. Last, right? n equal to 3 అన్నప్పుడు h of 3 minus k రావాలి.
3 minus k, sir.
ఎట్లా రాస్తావు?
So arrow goes to -3.
లేదు ఇక్కడ
No,
0 ఉంటుంది.
zero.
minus 3 7 2 ఇట్లా చేయాలి. ఓకే?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Is it okay?
యా ఓకే సార్. అంటే లొకేషన్ లేకపోతే మనం 0 తీసుకొని
అంతే అట్లాగే చేయాలి. కానీ జనరల్గా ఓవర్లాపింగ్ n equal to 3 దగ్గర ఓవర్లాపింగ్ రావాలనుకుంటున్నాను నేను. ఎందుకు రాలేదు? ఓకే, లెట్ ఇస్ వెరిఫై. వస్తుందిలేండి. వాట్ ఈస్ మై ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ కే?
1,4.
1, 4. యా వస్తుంది కదా.
4 into
లేకపోతే 0 రాసుకోవచ్చు, నష్టం లేదు. నా వాట్ ఈస్ వాల్యూ? 0 into 1 plus minus 3 into 4 plus 7 into 0 plus 2 into 0. Yes or no? 0 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to minus 12. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So finally, what is your y of n? First time వచ్చింది వాళ్ళు
2. Y of 0 is 2.
2, 15, 25
25
and minus 12. Correct or not? So here what happened is at least it took more than 5 to 10 minutes to calculate all these 4 samples. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it needs so many steps to follow to get the final output or not.
Yes.
So to simplify this also, there is a method called finding linear convolution. Finding linear convolution up to 4 point I'm telling, up to 4 point output. So finding linear convolution using DFT, IDFT enter DFT, IDFT. Okay. So we will get the same result by using these two operations. Is it clear? Are you able to follow what I'm trying to tell?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. So what are the given inputs? X of n is equal to 1, 4. Am I right or not?
Yeah, 1,4 only, sir.
And h of n given is 2.
7 minus 3.
Two 7 minus 3. Sir,
Hello.
sir. Stuck అయిందా ఈవెన్?
Maybe net problem వచ్చు. We'll wait.
ఓకే ఓకే. కావచ్చు.
Yes. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
sir,
You're audible,
audible.
sir.
Okay, fine. Because of then it was disconnected. I think I have to go for re-recording again if I'm right. Yeah, it is already in recording mode, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's already recording. Only thing is I need to share the screen. Okay. So there is a net issue. Again, it is connected.
Yes, sir. Now.
Able to see? Okay, fine. So what I need to say is just I'm trying to so finding linear convolution using DFT and IDFT, the given inputs are x of n equal to 1, 4 and x of n is equal to 2, 7, minus 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so here to find the DFT and IDFT, using these two techniques to get the linear convolution, the first job is you need to find what is the length of y of n. How do you find length of y of n? Already I mentioned m plus n minus 1, no? What is the value?
Yes, sir.
2 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. Yes or no?
4. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Append zeros both in x and h to the length of output. What is the length of the output?
4.
What is the length of the output? So x of n must be appended zeros. How many zeros I need?
It's one.
It's not 2 zeros.
Yes, sir. But 4. Okay.
Yeah. Similarly, h of n must be appended zeros. How many?
1. Only 1.
1. Okay. This is the first step you need to follow. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second thing is very simple.
Sir, why
I
on
want
the
you
right
to
side?
tell-
Why not on the left side?
No, that is the procedure I'm telling. DFT, IDFT, you need to append zeros towards because n equal to 0, n equal to 1 is given. So 2, 3 only, right side only we should append. Okay? Is it okay? Okay,
sir.
now I want you to calculate. Yeah, now you tell me what is x of k and what is h of k. Do it fast because already I told yesterday. When there are 4-point input samples are given, by using transformation matrix method, you can easily calculate within 1 minute, not more than that. I want you to tell me what is the value for x of k and h of k. Do it fast. So two members can do x of k, two members can do h of k, so the time can be saved. Probably Mehdi and what is that other name, Venkatesh, and other two members can do for h of k. Mehdi and Venkatesh can do for x of k, remaining two Jeevan and one more can do for h of k.
Okay, sir.
So that time can be saved. I think all 5 members, yeah, Sai Swaraj, one more. Sai Swaraj is your choice. Which one you wanted to select, X or H? Anything is okay.
Which one, sir?
X of k. Using transformation matrix method, which is very easily you can calculate. If anybody completed, just let me know. I will write down here all the 4 points.
Sir, x of k,
Hmm.
5,
5,
1 minus 4j,
1 minus 4j,
minus 3,
minus 3,
1 plus 4j.
1 plus 4j. Yeah, h of k. If x of k is calculated within some duration, others also should tell what is h of k. Should not take much time. Yesterday we discussed whole class to find the DFT using transformation matrix method. Tell me fast.
Sir, 9,
9,
2 minus 7j,
2 minus 7j,
minus 5,
minus 5,
2 plus 7j,
2 plus
7j.
7j. Okay. So y of k, right? I'm trying to find the output DFT is equal to input DFT multiplication of the two DFTs. So when you multiply these two, what do you get? 9 into 5, 45. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Similarly, 1 minus 4j into 2 minus 7j. Tell me fast. Uh, 2 minus 7j minus 8j minus plus 28j square. So it becomes 2 minus
30
15j
minus
minus 28. Minus 28 will get.
Minus
Minus
plus
26.
28.
Minus 26. Minus
Yeah,
15.
minus 26 minus
Minus
15j.
15.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
similarly minus into minus plus 15. Then similarly 1 plus 4j into 2 plus 7j. So 2 plus 7j plus 8j plus 28j.
Minus 28, sir.
Yes.
Square it is actually.
Yes.
So
Minus
again minus
26 plus
26 plus
15j.
yeah minus 26 plus 15j. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So once you know y of k, is it not easy for you to calculate y of n? Is it not this way you can do it? Yes or no? Yesterday we did inverse DFT also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I think you should do now. For the given y of k, what is y of n? Tell me fast. Yeah, complete fast. You're taking so much time for a simple process. Anybody completed? Yes. Anyone from you? Mehdi, Venkatesh, Sai Raja. Yeah, Sai Swaraj, Jeevan, Bharat. Anyone? You told x of k fast, but you're finding difficult
Sorry,
to
sorry.
tell y of n.
సరే ఇది ఒకటి చెప్పండి సార్ నెక్స్ట్ ఒకటి హోంవర్క్ చేయండి సార్ చేస్తాం.
No, what I mean to say is already you have taken the transformation matrix, no?
Yes,
What
sir.
is transformation matrix? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. It was j actually, right?
Yes,
J
sir.
minus 1 minus j minus 1 1 minus 1. Then it should be minus j. Then it should be minus 1. Is it correct? The transformation matrix what we calculated yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Conjugate transformation.
Sir, it should be always
Yeah.
like this only, sir. It will be change problem to problem.
No, 4 point it is same.
Yeah.
For the 4 point it is always same. How many points you have in y of k? 4 points, no?
We have 4 points. Sir.
Is it correct without conjugate? Is this matrix is correct or not?
Yeah, correct only, sir.
Then what is you make conjugate?
So this previous one is conjugate, sir.
This one is conjugate. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we did no.
Yes, sir.
You only should tell. Yesterday only we did. It is here, no?
Yeah, this was the conjugate only, sir. J minus 1 J minus J
Yeah,
minus
let's
1
check.
1 minus 1.
Because to see yesterday only we did. Why so much confusion? Yeah, see. W 4 to the power of 1 is 1. No, W 4 to the power of 1. Where it is W 4? Yeah, this one. So it is minus j actually. W 4 to the power of 1 is minus j actually. Okay. So this is conjugate. This is without conjugate. Correct?
Yes, sir. First one is conjugate only.
Yeah, first one is a conjugate. Correct. Okay. So let me. Let me take it as a conjugate. This is without conjugate, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So which one I should select out of these two for inverse DFT? First one or second one?
ఫస్ట్ వన్
First
one.
Conjugate.
So you just then you simply do 1 by 4. 1 1 1 1 1 j minus 1 minus j 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus j minus 1 plus j. You just simply do it. What is here? Tell me the outputs you got now.
45
45
45 minus 20.
minus 26 minus
Minus
15 15 and minus 26 plus 15j.
do it fast now. Now you can tell what are you going to get.
Okay, sir.
First one 8. 101 plus 15j.
Hey, you should get real number, I think.
Right.
You should get real numbers because the output what we calculated for linear convolution must be same. It should not be changed. It should be a linear number. Real number. It should not be a complex. If it is not complex, somewhere we did a mistake in x of the calculations.
Yeah, those complex numbers will cancel, sir. First.
Yeah, that is what the number value I want. That is what I'm telling. You should have an idea what should be the output. Simply you should not write. You should expect and then do it.
So doing
It is supposed to be real because the y of n already we got all real numbers output, no? The same example.
Second one 60, sir.
60, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, third one.
60.
Again 60, yeah? It cannot be 60. Because we did not get same, no? We got different outputs
112.
for the linear
112.
convolution. See, I don't know exact answer, but one thing I can tell you, is it correct or not? It should be all 4 different numbers, and all of them must be exactly divisible by 4. Last one. Yes, last one. You're taking so much time, no?
0, sir.
Last one, 20. 20, sir, last one.
20, yeah? Okay, so then finally what is the output? Y of n is equal to 8 by 4, 60 by 4, 112 by 4, then 20 by 4. Can you tell me what are the values?
First one 2, second one is 15, third one is
Third one.
28.
28.5.
28 and 5.
Yeah, is it the same result what we got using linear convolution at the beginning? I think this one we did, no?
No, sir. The 2, 15, 25 minus 12 we got.
Yeah, minus 2 only we are supposed to get here also. Somewhere you made a mistake. It should also minus 12 it should be. You recheck again the last one.
And 25 also. We got 25 here, we got 28.
There it's not 28. Yeah, you verify. Somewhere you made a mistake in calculating, no, these two. Once again recheck. Is it 112 and 20? You want me to do it?
Okay, sir. No, we'll do, sir. 1 minute.
Assuming that your x of k, y of k is h of k is right. If they are wrong, we cannot do anything.
Sir, last one observe, sir, x of k.
X of k you have a doubt, huh?
Last one.
Yeah. Is it 1 plus 4j correct? 1 plus 4j into 2 plus 7j. Is it right or not? You tell me. 2 plus 7j.
Sir, 112 correct వచ్చింది సార్ మరి.
ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ కే హెచ్ ఆఫ్ కేలో మిస్టేక్ ఉండాలి అలాంటప్పుడు. లేదు అంటే ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఇక్కడ చేశాను, ఇక్కడైతే ఇక్కడ చేయలేదు నాకు తెలిసి. హియర్ వి డిడ్ వెరీ సింపుల్, నో? యు వెరిఫై.
సార్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏమన్నా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏమన్నా మిస్టేక్ చేశాను సార్ అలా.
మిస్టేక్ ఎక్కడ చేయలేదు. ఏమంది చేయడానికి అందులో? చెక్ చేయ ఒకసారి. మైనస్ జే ప్లస్ జే బాగానే ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ చేసాం. కరెక్ట్గా ఉందే. ఇది మైనస్ జే, ఇది ప్లస్ జే. అంటే మీరే చెప్పాలి, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ వన్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ కాబట్టి.
ఎస్.
జే మైనస్ జే ఇస్ కరెక్ట్, మైనస్ జే ప్లస్ జే ఇస్ కరెక్ట్. ఇవన్నీ కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నాయి. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉంది. లాస్ట్ 2 తప్పు వస్తున్నాయి. 45 ప్లస్ 26 ప్లస్ 15j మైనస్ 15
నాకు తెలిసి ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్
మైనస్
కేఆర్
26j మైనస్ 15 వస్తుంది. ఇది మైనస్ 15, సారీ.
సార్ ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ కేఆర్ హెచ్ ఆఫ్ కే రాంగ్ ఉంది సార్ నాకు తెలిసి.
అదే చెక్ చేస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ. 46
Okay, sir.
ప్లస్ 2 15j వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏం తప్పు వస్తుంది కదా. 15j వచ్చి మరి ఇక్కడ జేస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలి కదా.
ఎక్కడ సార్?
45 ఇది 26j అవుతుంది.
క్యాన్సిల్
మైనస్
అవుతుంది సార్.
26 15j స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. ఇది కరెక్ట్. సో ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇది కూడా మైనస్ 15 మైనస్ 15 మైనస్ 15 జీరో అయిపోతుంది, విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్ కదా. సార్ నో. ఇప్పుడు 1 into 45 minus into minus plus 26j.
సార్ ఇక్కడ
Minus
మైనస్
into
15 కాదు సార్,
minus-
ప్లస్ 15. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 15 వస్తుంది సార్.
ఇక్కడ
ఇక్కడ సార్ 15 j స్క్వేర్
అవును 15 j square equal to minus కదా,
మైనస్
j square replaced by minus here.
ఓకే.
సో అన్నట్టు x of k h of k ని తప్పేస్తారు మీరు. సో మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చేయాలి ఇంకా.
H of k wrong sir.
ఎంత ఎంత వస్తుంది?
First one 6.
సారీ, మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి. చూడండి, మీరు చేసిన మిస్టేక్ వల్ల టైం అంతా వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది, బట్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలా. 6 ఇంకా టెల్ మీ ఫాస్ట్. I think I would have done, it will be faster. You want me to do it?
Yes, sir. Better you do it.
Yes, sir. X of k and h of k, please do, sir.
Okay. So you want me to remove everything at this one? Okay. So I will only do. So you understand, no? The practice makes the errors can be minimized. Okay, I cannot say 100% sure, but you have to practice more and more.
Okay, sir.
So first x of k is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. It should be plus j or minus j? Minus j, correct?
ఎస్ సార్
Minus j, correct. Minus j, minus 1 plus j, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 j, then it should be minus 1 minus j, then it should be 1 4 0 0, then 1 plus 4 5 అవుతుంది, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 4, anyhow remaining all zeros, so I am not writing, so it should be 5, first one, correct? It cannot be 2, it should be 5 only. Then 1 minus 4j, again plus 0 into 0, equal 1 minus 4j. Then 1 minus 4, then it should be minus 3. Then 1 plus 4j. Okay, that's it, 1 plus 4j. X of k is 5, 1 minus 4j, minus 3, 1 plus 4j. Same thing you told? You told same thing? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The same thing was told.
Okay, very good. So it was right. Just a minute. Then y of k, sorry, h of k. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 minus j minus 1 plus j minus 1 1 minus 1 j minus 1 minus j. So what are the h of n numbers? 2 7 minus 3, correct or no? Yeah, 2 7 minus 3. 2 7 minus 3 is 0. So indicates 2 plus 7 minus 3 plus 0, so 9 minus 3, which is 6. Then 2 minus 7j plus 3, that's it. So it becomes 5 minus 7j. Then 2 minus 7 minus 3 plus 0, so minus 10, so minus 8 it is. Then 2 plus 7j plus 3, that's it. So 5 is same thing you said?
No sir.
It was different, no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes sir.
So let me write here actually, because both at one place it will be easy for us. x of k is equal to this much. H of k is 6 5 minus 7j minus 8 5 plus 7j, correct? Now what is your y of k now? Which is x of k into h of k. Now you tell me at least this one. 5 6 is 30. 1 minus 4j into 5 minus 7j. Tell me first. Do it first. 1 minus 4j, I'll do here. 1 minus
minus 23
4j
minus 23.
5 minus 7j. So it will be 5 minus 7j minus 20j
Minus
minus
20.
into minus plus again minus 28. Then
Minus
this is
20,
minus
minus 23 minus 23j.
27j.
27j, sir.
Yeah, I think this only we made a mistake. Minus 23 minus 27j. Again
24.
minus into minus plus 24. Again 1 plus 4j. Then 5 plus 7j. So 5 plus 7j. Then 20j. Then minus 28. So minus 23 plus 27j. Correct? I'm writing here minus 23 plus
Plus
27j. Yeah. Now let us do it here. Now you try to remember. Note down this 4. 30 minus 23 minus 27j. Then 24. Then minus 23 plus 20. How much it is?
7j. Yes, sir.
Plus 20. Yeah, plus 27j. You remember that. I'll just remove and rewrite here. Yeah, tell me again. What are the numbers? Tell me first.
30
30.
minus 23 minus 27j
Sorry.
minus 23 minus 27j.
Then.
24
Then.
minus 23 plus 27j.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let me remove this. Remove this also. Okay. So 1 by 4. So you'll get 30 minus 23 minus 27j plus 24 minus 23 plus 27j. Okay, I'll write later, we'll do it. 30 minus 23j minus 27j minus 24 plus 23j minus 27j square and plus 27 అవుతుంది. Okay, anything I'm writing directly. Basically minus into plus minus అవుతుంది. J square becomes again minus 1, so I'm not writing. Then 30 plus 23 plus 27j plus 24 plus 23 minus 27j. 30 plus 23j minus into minus plus 27j square, so minus 27 minus 24 minus 23j minus 27. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That's what. Okay, now let us see what this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Then what do you get? Minus 23 minus 23, 46. 46, 54. 54 minus 46.
28.
Yes or no? 8 no?
Yes, sir.
You have a plus 54 minus 46. 8,
Yeah.
correct or not? Then plus 23g minus 23g both cancel. Then, hey, why this j has come somewhere? I made a mistake here. How come 3 j's have come? Only 2 j's, no?
Yes, sir.
ఏది j square?
Then minus 27 అంతే సార్ ఇక్కడ.
Is only minus 27 కదా? Okay. So minus 27 plus 27 will go. So 30 minus 24.
6
8. 6 6
ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 4 కాదు కదా
27 అయితే సార్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం కాల్ వస్తుంది ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ అయింది మళ్ళీ
థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ప్లస్ 27 అయితే సార్.
థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఇది +27
యా ప్లస్ 27.
అప్పుడు ఎంత అయితే మొత్తం
ప్లస్ 27 సార్
27 ఎంత 54
54.
ప్లస్ 30 84
84.
ఓకేనా కరెక్టేనా
84
Yes.
80.
మన కరెక్ట్ వస్తుందా ఫస్ట్
మళ్ళీ 24
వాల్యూ ఏం రావాలి
తీసారు 50 60 రావాలి సార్ 60
60 రావాలి మళ్ళీ 60 రావట్లేదుగా
60 వచ్చింది సార్
వస్తుంది.
ప్లస్ 27 ప్లస్ 27
మైనస్
54
Minus
54 ప్లస్ 30 84 మైనస్ 24 60
లాస్ట్ కి 27 కట్ చేయకండి సార్.
27 కట్ చేయకండి సార్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ హలో సార్ నెట్ పోయింది
Yeah, is it clear? I'm audible.
ఎస్ సార్
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I
You
think
are audible.
finally we got this number which is matching with our results. Which will be, I think I need not to write again, directly I can write. My y of n will be 2 comma 15 comma 25 comma minus 12. Is it okay? Is it clear? The same thing we have 2 15 25 minus 12. Yeah, 2 15 25 minus 12. So I guess you understood how to do it for today's class.
ఎస్ సార్
This I'll
I
stop
think you
here.
are not presenting, sir.
Yeah, not presenting, but I think just a minute. I will share this PPT to you. But it is so far whatever I did, almost it is covered. Okay.
Yeah, it dissolved by 4, sir.
Yeah. So let me stop recording. How to stop recording is the question now. Where is the option? Yeah, stop recording.